Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing here one important SNR level. Uh, when we didn't found any level, any previous level, then we can draw this SNR level. So I am showing here how we draw the SNR level and when we found this type of SNR level and how to draw. Yes, I am showing here. This is green one. Okay, suppose the market is now in a momentum position, momentum situation, and a momentum strongly going up, and suddenly we found this type of candle. It also have wicks or not, it's no matter. So this type of candle, strong candle. So we didn't found any previous level or any level in this place. So how can we trade in this type of situation? So in the candle, the middle of the candle, 50% of the candle I am showing here. Suppose this is 50% level, this is 50% level. 50% of this candle act as a SNR level. So if the next candle come down like this, I am showing here. Okay, come down from this place, this type of situation, and exactly close here. So next candle obviously goes up because it's now uptrend. It's now uptrend here. So next candle obviously goes up. Obviously goes up. This 50% level of this candle, middle position of this candle act as a SNR level. So same thing in downtrend, strongly falling down, the market strongly falling down, and suddenly we found this type of candle. This type of candle. So 50% of this candle, 50% of this candle act as a SNR level. If next candle goes up, next candle goes, I am showing here, up, suddenly goes up like this one. So after this candle, the next candle obviously fall down. It's the psychology of this type of SNR level. So this is the actual psychology. So we can find this type of situation in the real market also. So I am showing properly in the real market. So let's go to the real market. So this is Euro USD pair, and I am showing here when this type of situation will happen. Okay, this type of, I am showing here properly this type of candle. This is a strong uptrend here, strong uptrend here. Market goes up, and suddenly we found this type of strong candle. Yes, this type of strong candle. So how can we draw properly, accurately 50% level of this candle? So go to this option and select line. Yes, and this is the system. Okay, we can draw like this. We can draw like this accurately. Okay, this is the point, middle of this candle. So we can draw horizontal line in this level. Yes, this is little bit down here. Yes, yes, this is accurate now, 100% accurate now. Yes, so this candle, 50% level of this candle act as a SNR level. So I already told that if next candle come down and close in this 50% level, so next candle obviously goes up because it's a strong uptrend. It's a strong uptrend. So we can place our trade in upper direction fearlessly, and it's obviously our winning trade. So how it's work in the past, we can, I am showing here how it's work in the past. Yes, this is rejection, a strong rejection from this level, strong rejection. This is doji candle, strong rejection, next candle goes down, broke the level, broke this SNR level, next candle goes down. Yes, this broke the SNR level, next candle goes down. It's exactly, this broke the level, is exactly the bullish candle exactly close in this level, next candle goes down. Yes, this is working every time. This is working every time. This resistance level, this resistance, this act resistance, this act as a support. Market come down this position, and this is the candle goes up. If we place our trade in this place, the market goes up. So how I am showing another place, this, yes, this one rejected from this level, goes down, broke the level, candle, market goes down, act as a resistance level, act as a support level, support level, support level, resistance level, every time. It's working every time. So it's more accurate. It's a accurate SNR level, accurate SNR level. So I am showing here in this place. Yes, this break the level, next candle goes up. This act as a come to near to this level, next candle goes down, broke the level, next candle goes down. Yes, this is this 1 2 3 3 doji candle. After 3 doji candle goes down, market goes down, strongly broke the level, next candle goes down. So it's rejected strongly from this level, next candle goes up. So it's working again and again, it's working again and again. So in this type of SNR level, we can draw in this type of SNR level, and we can place our trade fearlessly. Every time it's work every time. Okay, so this is the actual psychology of this kind of SNR level. This kind of SNR level, it's the actual psychology, and we can place our trade fearlessly in this type of SNR level. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.